Hi, I'm Damaris from Lifetime Kids. Today we're gonna learn about Taíno people. They used to use symbols on rocks. Are you ready to recreate one? Let's go! That was fun! Thanks for watching!